shoot them while they're on the ground. Try and shoot them on the ground. Ready? Shoot them while they're on the ground. Try and shoot them on the ground. Ready? Couple.
You didn't get any closer to him, though.
No. Hold it up. Ooh. Look at Brad, you gotta look at that one. Well, I'm exhausted. I think we got 5 or 6 maybe. They're a lot farther than we thought. Snuck down the line and they're sitting in this water. Sorry for holding the camera low. Trying to hold my gun up too, but yeah, we got 5 or 6. Yeah, that was about as close as we were gonna get to them, about 40, 50 yards. So yeah, not bad. Ah. Look at that. What a stud. Well, we did pretty good. We got 5. This is gonna be the last push of the year, so I think this is the last jump. We did pretty good this year. We shot like 44 or something, which is pretty good for Minnesota. So yeah, it was a fun snow goose season. It didn't last very long, but lasted longer than we thought it would. So yeah, we'll catch you on the next one. We're probably gonna have a decent amount of turkey videos coming up, so you want to check those out. So see you on the next one.